Hello everyone, I hope everything's going well. So for today's makeup look, I'm gonna show you this amazing and glam and soft makeup look. I really love it, and today I'm trying the new launch by Sigma Beauty, and this is the blush and sculpt palette. Oh my god, look my skin today. This is so beautiful. The products are so good and they blend so well in the skin. I cannot wait to show you guys. So this is my PR packaging, and look this is so biggy but so beautiful. So now I'm gonna just open this up and show you what is inside. Look at this. They are stunning and blend so well in the skin. You must see this product. Oh my god, and if you didn't, you have to try it for sure. So this is the new launch by Sigma Beauty. This video is sponsored, but I have to say that I really love this product, and I'm gonna show you how to use it here in this video today. As you can see, the effect is so beautiful. The colors are stunning and works for everybody, for every skin tone. So now I'm gonna show you the Sculpt palette. Look at this. This is so beautiful. I really love the packaging. It's amazing. For me, it's a new thing. It's stunning. I love it. This color is what I use it today. I mix them both together. I also love this highlighter. It's very pigmented, especially in my skin tone. It works so well. All the colors are so pigmented and the contour shades blend so well in the skin. I love the formula, and not just because this video is sponsored, but I really like the product. And you can see here in my face that the effect is so good. So this color right here, I use it as my eyeshadow. As you can see, is stunning, and this highlighters works for everybody. You can use in many different ways as eyeshadows and everything. You just can do anything. I really love this product. So now I'm gonna show you the blush palette as well. And this is the blush palette. She's so cute. Look at this. It's pink and I love pink. And here she is. Oh my god, all these colors are stunning. This shade, I'm in love with it. I can use in my skin shade, and I also can use this color in a darker skin shade. It looks so beautiful. I love all the colors of the palettes. They are so beautiful, so blendable, and the formula is amazing. So now I'm gonna show you in the tutorial how it works and how it looks. And also to create this look, I used these two brushes. This is the Spotlight Duster, my favorite, to contour, to apply highlighter, to apply blush, to apply powder. I also love this one to contour. This is the soft angled contour. This brush is amazing, really. Also, you can concentrate the product in your skin and then you go blending slowly. It creates an amazing fade in your skin. So I love them both as well. And to apply my highlighter, I used the high cheekbone brush. I'm so excited for this news. Now let's get started. To begin my makeup look, I already applied my favorite moisturizer and primer, and now I'm gonna apply my foundation. I'm gonna apply this foundation all over my face, neck and chest using a damp beauty blender. Next, I'm gonna apply a concealer everywhere I want to highlight in my face, and to blend, I'm gonna use the same beauty blender. To set everything in my face, I'm gonna apply a translucent powder, and to apply this powder in my face, I'm gonna use this Spotlight Duster brush. So now I'm gonna do my eyes using the Sculpt palette. So with a blending brush, I'm gonna apply the shade Faking It in my crease. As I want to create a soft look today, I'm gonna use only the shade in my crease and outer corner. So I'm gonna add a little bit of time and blend. Next, I'm gonna apply the shade Shine On in my tear duct area to highlight, and this is a beautiful highlighter. It's very pigmented and buttery. I love the formula. And in my eyelid, I'm gonna use the shade Popping with the same brush. So I just lined my eyes and applied my fake lashes. Now I'm gonna contour, sculpt, and add some color in my face. I'm gonna still use the Sculpt palette, and I'm gonna mix these two colors together. So I'm gonna mix the color Faking It and Throw Shade to create my contour and sculpt my face. I'm gonna apply this product everywhere I want to contour and make it appear slimmer. And to apply these shades in my face, I'm gonna use the soft angled contour brush. So this is the difference between a good contour and nothing in my face. As you can see here, I just did one side to show you guys, and oh my god, this product is amazing. It blends so well and has a nice formula. It's so easy to apply. So now I'm gonna do the same in the other side, and then we're gonna apply blush. So now I'm gonna use the blush palette, and look how cute it is. I love this palette so much. So I'm gonna mix these two colors together. I'm gonna use Pinking and also Tiger Lily. To apply this blush in my cheeks, I'm gonna use the Spotlight Duster brush. These products are so pigmented, and these brushes are so good to apply any product in my face. And now to highlight my face, oh my god, I love this color. I'm gonna use Shine On highlighter from the Sculpt palette, and this is so beautiful, so pigmented, so blinding. So if you like of a more soft effect, be careful and go adding the product a little at a time. To apply this highlighter, I'm gonna use the high cheekbone brush. All the Sigma brushes are 2-year warranty, and also don't forget to check out my brush set, which is amazing. I choose a lot of precision brushes, and I really love my set, so I hope that you love it as well. I'm gonna leave the links down below in the description box. And to finish off this look, I'm gonna apply this gorgeous lipstick by the Nightlife collection from Sigma Beauty, and this is the shade Dance Till Down. So that's it, my lovies. I really hope that you love much as I did all these products, this tutorial, and look my skin. Wow, I'm feeling myself because these products make it so beautiful. Look, this highlighter and this blush and the contour. Feels like I have nothing in my skin and looks so good. And I even have the sensation that I just used a cream product underneath my powder and everything, but I just used this contour. And look at the effect. This is so good, so beautiful. I really love the formula. It blends so well with all the products in your face, so it creates the perfect fade. And that's it for this look. Thank you so much for watching. These products are amazing. And that's all I have to say. All the products will be here down below in the description box. So thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!